Hello all, Tony from Carton Cloud with a product update from release 75. Android picking. What we've actually done is we've had an update, and actually as an onboarder I come across this quite often, where I would actually go into the mobile app and I would go onto a picking. And what would actually happen, so you're going into a sales order which is awaiting picking, so we tap on into the sales order, and down the bottom here you can see that there's a start packing button, and I would always forget to press it, and I'd sort of look like a bit of a dill, being honest. So what I would do is you would go in and you would click into the first product, and straight away nothing would happen and you wouldn't know what was going on. Well, now what we've done on Android is if I were to click into the toasted coconut, what I actually get is a big warning on here saying, do you want to start packing this sales order? And you can tick out of it saying no, or you can say yes, start packing, and it will actually remember that I've ticked into the toasted coconut and go through the bits and pieces. So we're just trying to make it so that it's easier for the guys on the floor and trying to avoid any frustration.